Today I'm diving into the art of solo wedding filmmaking and the secret behind how to create beautiful wedding films all by yourself. So the best, not so well kept secret to creating beautiful wedding films by yourself, really the secret sauce, if you will, is all about positioning. Good positioning affects your framing, your lighting, your angles, the emotion that you're capturing, and the continuity within your scenes. Good positioning ensures that you capture the perfect composition and highlighting the special moments in a very cinematic way. Proper positioning allows you to take full advantage of natural and artificial light to help enhance the overall mood and tone of your story. Being in the right spot provides you with the best angles to create engaging and dynamic frames. Good positioning helps you capture genuine emotions and reactions, which in turn helps you create a more authentic and heartfelt wedding film. And with continuity, ensuring proper positioning allows for smoother transitions between your shots to maintain a consistent and professional flow throughout your story. Ultimately, good positioning will help you create beautiful and engaging wedding films, regardless of if you are solo or if you have a team behind you as well. But knowing that you need good positioning, I'm sure you're asking yourself, well, how do you get good at positioning? Simply put, getting better at filmmaking is all about repetition and experience, especially in the world of wedding filmmaking, because weddings have become this choreographed dance. And if you know all the moves, it's easier to navigate the routine. But if you're just starting out, here are some ways that you can master the art of positioning so that you can create a beautiful film right from the start. Number one is scout the location. Simply visiting the venue and taking a tour around to see where the light's coming in, where the ceremony is going to be happening, where the speeches are going to be happening. Familiarize yourself with the layout, the lighting conditions, and any potential obstacles that you may face, so that when you arrive on the wedding day, you're not having to scramble to figure this stuff out. You already have a game plan and you know exactly where you need to be to get the best shot. Number two is to simply know the timeline. Know the sequence of events that are taking place. This helps you anticipate where you need to be and when you need to be. And although mastering the art of positioning is crucial for solo filmmaking, so is mastering the art of editing. And I get it, thinking about having to master another aspect of the filmmaking process can be a little bit overwhelming, which the good news is you don't really have to. With companies like Uncut Gems, they can take that burden off of your plate so that you can focus on what brings you joy, and that's ultimately filmmaking. I have been using Uncut Gems for the last few months, and their premier video editing solution has been a game changer for me and my business. And they've been kind enough to offer you guys 65% off on your first edit. So head over to Uncut Gems, use my code Wayward65 at checkout so you can kick backlog in the face and get back to being excited about your business. Number three is using multiple angles. So just because you're a solo filmmaker doesn't mean that you can't use multiple cameras to enhance your scene. Position yourself strategically to capture a variety of angles. For example, during the ceremony, one angle can focus on the couple, another on the guests, and another safety angle to capture the entire moment. For me, I do this by having tripods locked off for my couple, another tripod locked off for the master wide, and then for my reaction camera, I am going handheld, navigating through the ceremony. And use this technique throughout the wedding day so that you can have multiple angles to build your scene later on. Number three is to leverage zoom lenses. When it comes to your lenses, zoom lenses are going to be your best friend as they offer flexibility in framing and composition without the need to constantly move or switch up your position. This is going to allow you to quickly adapt to those changing situations. Number four is to stay mobile. Be ready to move quickly and discreetly. Use a lightweight handheld setup, which is my personal preference, if I'm being honest, or a gimbal to maintain stability and easily navigate different scenes. Pay attention to cues and body language to anticipate key moments. Being proactive versus reactive helps you position yourself effectively to capture the moment before it actually happens. The next is to just be mindful of your background. You want to pay attention to what's behind your subject, what's in your frame, and try not to focus solely on the couple or the people, but also the background as well. A clean, uncluttered background keeps the focus on the couple and the people in your frame, which ultimately will enhance the overall aesthetic of your shot as well. Next is to communicate with your couple. You want to make sure that you are on the same page with your couple, knowing everything that they want captured, their goals, their vision, all the moments that they are most excited about. This helps you understand what moments, when, and where you should position yourself to meet your couple's expectations. And the last is just to keep practicing and reviewing your footage. Analyze what worked, analyze what didn't work. Learn from your experience so that you can learn the dance moves. You can learn the routine so that over time, all of this becomes second nature, and you won't have to stress or second guess yourself because you're well equipped with how to maneuver each changing circumstance. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and valuable in some way. If you did, it would mean so much if you consider liking and subscribing. And until next time, keep creating and telling beautiful stories. Peace.